Good morning to everyone and welcome to another session and another update on the market. For today, I decided to do the update on the USD versus Canadian dollar, silver market. I will speak about crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. Just to do update, basically we got, as I said in my previous forecast and analysis, a few weeks ago, we had a breakout of the yearly range on the USD Canadian dollar. There's a strong upside pressure. I also alerted on the hourly chart on Friday that we got a breakout of the triangle in a strong upside environment, which actually produced a very nice rally. Market basically rallied since the previous update. Market rallied about 140 pips. And it's still in the upside swing and strong upside momentum. And based on the higher time frames, market already reached some main objectives from the previous weekly swing highs. But there is a still chance that if market, because the momentum is so strong, that market can even go towards the 1.3700 mark. So this area here on the weekly time frame, we can see basically multi-wicks and some kind of a cluster of the highs. But because the momentum is basically very strong, and the breakout of this yearly range is just from a few weeks ago, so this is still relatively fresh money flow, and I'll not be surprised if we can go all the way to 1.3700. Even if we can break that and continue higher, then we have some cluster of the lows around 1.3800, 50 and 60 mark. So still watch for buying opportunities in intraday dips, and it will be also good for the swing traders. This area here around 1.365 and 1.3700 mark can be a good objectives for this upside break from the previous week. Speaking of the silver market, this is something that I also alerted in my previous forecasts, that this rate of change, once we had a breakout and confirmation, we got like a 3 to 4 days of balance, but you never actually traded above the 20 mark, which was a key pivot level for this breakout. Since we didn't actually break this 20 mark, I suggested the price to drop and to eventually go towards 1925 and 1875. We really didn't have a problem to go through those pivots, and now market, we can see potentially even 1795 and even the 1760 mark to be on the test, which is basically area around the beginning of September, so September lows on the silver. So market had a sell-off on the overnight session, so watch for the selling opportunities on the rallies on this currency pair, on this market, and watch potential retest of the September lows. If we speak about crude oil market, we can basically see that we suggested the market was breaking on 82.30 mark, and we said if we clear 81.10, we can even try to attack much lower prices towards the 66.50 or 63 mark. And so far it seems like we're going very strong, and I don't see any kind of reversal at this stage. So watch for potential rallies, ABCs, or any kind of the downside continuation patterns, and major short midterm targets around 67 mark. If we speak about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still in the consolidation. We can see basically the daily is building here some kind of triangle. You will see basically also here, this is an 8-hour time frame, that we got this triangle, and we kind of got a downside breakout if you treat this like a triangle. So potential for the retest of the lows around 18,000 mark can be in the play, and of course some bigger drop can lead even the price towards 14,000 or 10,000 mark. So breakout of the multi-day base and downside cycle potentially to continue. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.